Peas produce blood, increases flesh on the body, constipation is bad, removes swelling, removes mucus, wrinkles, spots and pimples are removed. The components found in peas reduce cholesterol and fight against diseases caused by it, such as heart attack, etc., and also control diabetes. Applying a paste of crushed peas on bruises or burns reduces the irritation. Consumption of peas prevents stomach and colon cancer. Peas contain iron and various vitamins that keep the body fresh, make it strong and help fight against diseases. Peas are low in calories and high in fiber, which is very helpful in weight loss. By applying the paste of boiled and crushed peas on the face, wrinkles, spots, and pimples are removed. The components found in peas. Radish is a white-colored vegetable. It is mostly eaten raw, used as a salad, and can also be cooked with its leaves as a curry. Radish itself is slow digesting, but digests other foods quickly. Consuming radish with salt is considered useful for treating many diseases. 9 benefits of radish. Radish is